Hi there, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to take a look at our posts, our work actually, in a course. So I'm going to go into my profile, and then this is what I get. Next, I'm going to take a look at my posts, all the posts that I have created in this course. So let me show you what that looks like. It's under miscellaneous over here, and these are my posts. Now, posts differ from discussions. Discussions are actually replies to others' posts or within your post. Next, we're going to take a look at open forum posts, if you have added those, as well as open forum discussions. Again, the difference is the same. Discussions are replies, and posts are the first time that you start a discussion topic. Next, we're going to complete report. Click on that, and then notice what we get. Now we're going to get everything, a complete report of the whole course. The pre-session, the syllabus, an overview of everything, and then all my posts and replies to each one of the participants. Now, all you need to do with this, notice everything is here, and also the show parent, permalink, all the information is available for you to access. Okay, everything is here. I'm not going to bother with export to portfolio because it's too time consuming. It would take me ages. Next, you're going to save it as a PDF file. Click on the right, go into print. I'm using a Mac, but it's the same. And then you're going to go into, instead of your printer, save as PDF. Click on that, and then it's going to save the whole thing as a PDF file. Once it's done, notice it'll give you the name of the course. Make sure you're in the right course if you're taking more than one course. Activity report, and so on. Next, you're going to hit save. So you can save it wherever you want it on your computer. Now it's saved. Next, you're going to go to PDFgear, PDF editor and reader. And it's on my computer right now because I downloaded it. So here it is and what you can do with it. So notice I added, here it is, the report. Okay, it's right here. You can see it. Next, I'm going to chat. And you can have 50 messages a day on files for free, which I think is quite fine. All right, so let's do that now. Let's hit chat. All right, so this is what we want. First of all, we want a summary, right? So here we have all the features that are available. Notice, summarize this file, convert this file to Word, compress this. Now you might want to compress it and then take it to PDF chat or any other that was too big, or the file was too big for it, because I believe chat PDF takes files up to 20 MB. Sorry. All right, so this is what you're going to get. We're going to go with summarize. So let's go into that. And here you also have sample. What is the course? Sample questions that you might like. It came automatic. And notice there are 261 pages. Sample questions that you might ask about it. But what we want basically is to summarize it. So let's add summarize down here. Summarize. And then you might want it in a certain format, say a table. Summarize the information for now, and then we'll decide how we want it. Notice once we get the information, okay, so summarize the information. I got what it is, contains, okay. Now provide a detailed summary of each of the posts. Okay, so we're going to send it. So now we're getting a little more. And we can also then export it, which is what we're going to do. Hit the export over here, so we don't have it in this format. Export. And then you have all the details right here. Isn't this amazing? Amazing what AI tools can do to speed things up and be so much more efficient than we could be. All right, so you can copy the text. Notice copy text or export. Lots of things you can do. You can also convert. Notice all the features that are available here that you may wish to check out. Thank you for watching, and just a little reminder that PDFgear is available on Windows, not just on a Mac. Have a great day.